see who's going to this meeting? How many people are going to the Carmel Improv? So is this event going to show up to the public? No. No one's going to know about our meeting. Now, the problem is a lot of members of this club are not on Meetup. So I, as VPPR, am wondering, is this worth my time? If none of our membership is on Meetup, they can't engage with the post. Unfortunately, Meetup requires you to create an account to RSVP to an event. And, you know, I fully understand that some people are just trying to cap the number of platforms they're using. So this might not be useful, but if you do have people in your club who use Meetup, you need to get them to RSVP and say they'll go. Here's the other thing. For oratory otters, I was putting us on Meetup. We had a woman visit the club, and at the end of the meeting, she said, "I am so glad I came. Meetup said that only 3 people would be here, so I almost didn't come. And here you have 18 people in the room." She ended up joining the club and being a wonderful member. But the problem is, how many other people simply didn't come because they didn't want to go to a meeting with only 3 people, right? So you really need to get your membership to engage. It might be useful at the end of club meetings for the VPPR to share their screen and help people engage, show them how to engage. The thing I want to let you know about every social media platform is that it amplifies the way your VPPR works with your club. Before COVID, your VPPR may have sent you an email with a flyer, or when you came to the club, the VPPR might have passed out physical flyers and asked you to share those. Well, now your VPPR should be making posts on whatever platforms you just shared with me. But those posts will only reach people if the club membership is engaging with them. And that's different. So if you have a lot of membership that just isn't using social media, then you really can't promote your clubs very effectively. The way all of their algorithms work is that they will promote posts, they will promote conversations that other people find interesting. So if I just make a post and nobody responds to it, it might get 20 views, right? And probably those 20 views don't happen to be interested in coming to one of my Toastmasters clubs. So it's going to take a real group effort.